Transport Minister Mauvin Godinho warned motorists against removing number plates or driving unregistered vehicles, saying violators will face strict action. He said authorities are actively monitoring such violations and vehicles may be taken into custody. The government also plans to install 29 additional AI-enabled traffic cameras with statewide coverage expected by next year.
That people are taking off the number plates and all from their vehicles to dodge this AI camera. So how is the government planning to tackle that?
Physical to make
See, ultimately they will be caught. The law enforcing agency is not sleeping. We are also aware they will be caught, and the vehicle itself will will be taken into custody, and they will not have a car. So they should be careful doing such the blatant illegalities. You cannot do this thing. This is a criminal act.
चलनिंग मी तुमच्यानी सध्या स्टार्ट केली चलनिंग स्टार्ट केली अजून तुमच्यानी
Yes.
AI थ्रू
या चलना थ्रू आम्ही आमच्या चलन धाडपाचे स्टार्ट केला आणि इट इज दॅट्स वॉट आय एम टेलिंग यू पीपल आर फॉलोइंग द रूल्स इट इज अ फ्यू हंड्रेड्स इट इज नॉट इन थाउजंड्स एज बिफोर मीन्स पीपल आर केअरफुल तू पळय न्हू सिग्नलाकडे लोक सारखे स्लो जाता सिग्नलाकडे रावता सीट बेल्ट घालता हेल्मेट घालता ऑलरेडी इट इज डेव्हलपिंग एज अ गुड हॅबिट यू शुड रादर कॉम्प्लिमेंट AI कॅमेरा
additional तुम्ही AI घालतले कॅमेराज कित्याक नॉट गोवन कमी आसा एज कंपेअर्ड टू
See, as I have said, last time आम्ही थोडेशे लोकेशना घातला some 26 location I think 29 location आता आणि 29 घालपाचे आहा and by next year we will by January or something we will almost have cameras almost in every part of Goa. Understood? Slowly we are getting people used to it.